Good morning, everyone. It is Wednesday, September 1st, 2021. Don't forget to stop over to perfectstormtrading.com website, drop your first name and email in the box, sign up for a chance to win the Perfect Storm Trading Book and Indicator Package. Alright, let's go over to the Astro Excel and see where we are. We got pretty much what we anticipated yesterday. As you recall from yesterday's video, the green line flatlined right at the high, and then the blue line took over as the green line was moving in a neutral manner. We tracked down, we made this little double bottom on the blue line, we made that little double bottom in the market, and then as the green line picked up, you see where the blue line double bottom, when the green line made its bottom, both of the lines moved up together. The market went up in sync with that. And now we've completed, it looks like, a retest of the high. And the green line now is starting to make a trend down. It's going to trend down into Friday morning. So you can see that the general trend is down into this area where it starts to level off here. So now what we'll do, we'll kind of have a bias to the downside, but we'll look for these peaks and valleys on the blue line to give us indication of what's happening here. So it looks like right now we're a little bit inverted, so we've got a peak on the blue line and we're bottoming on the price action. So we'll kind of watch how that plays out, but we're going to have a downside bias. So now the green line in its subtrend, let's call it, is moving up here to here, and then it's going to move down somewhere in this frame of 7 to 10 this morning, and then both lines are going to have pressure to the downside. So we've got this high where we're at a low here. The next blue line spike is going to be around 8:30. Then we have a little wider window on the spike high here, which is going to be between 10:11 and 11 o'clock, 11:04. And then both lines go in sync at 11:04 down until 2 o'clock. And then the blue line gets a little bit choppy, but both the lines have a reversal up at after market tonight. So we'll get a little bit of upside pressure back into about midnight, early morning of the 2nd. Spike highs will trigger a couple trades here. 2019, 2312, and then a black 117 to 214 in the AM, and then both lines sink to down into at least 543 tomorrow morning. So that'll be the general guide. The roadmap has been holding excuse me, pretty steady. It's been doing well. Let's get some turn times for today. Okay, today we're going to go to the rainbow chart and see how we set up with our window pairs. So the first vertical line I've drawn in here is from the 3:52 a.m. frame, where we had the A7 A8 pair. The big green block is triggered by the first white block in the A7. And then as you recall from the prior videos, we also used the even numbered block. So in this case we have one white block today, and then we used the green block on A5, the odd number. So A1 and A2 are paired, A3 and A4 are paired, A5 and A6 are paired, A7 and A8 are paired. So we're right on a signal now. You can see it looks like we've come out of this little downtrend. It looks like we're making a green Heikin-Ashi reversal bar, so this could be a trade trigger right here. This signal is on the A3, A4 panel. You see the big green block on the A4 panel and the white block on the A3 giving us this trigger, 6:04 a.m. The next trigger is coming in on A5 and A6 at 6:51, And then we have a A5, A6 trigger again at about 8:37. And then A5 and A6 is busy today as we have 3 consecutive triggers and one at 10:26. That's going to coincide with the pH segment. And then the last one for today would be in the A1, A2 block. And that one's going to come at about 1:36, 13:36 in the afternoon. So that should trigger some stuff for you guys. Keep your eye on that. That's it for Wednesday. We'll be back again on Thursday with another video. Don't forget, now we kind of have, looks like we peaked out. The market did not make a new high overnight. The Astro Excel is pointing down into Friday, so we're looking for downward pressure. Downward bias doesn't mean the market's going to tank or anything. It just means we're looking at a downward bias, and we'll use our trade triggers accordingly. Okay, thanks for watching. We'll see you again tomorrow.